Hey friends, welcome back to Naisargi's kitchen. Today I'm come back with my another new recipe, which is potato tornado. So let's begin. Here I have taken two medium-sized potatoes and take a big skewers. I take a wooden big skewers and it is easily available in market. I think you need to take a longer size potato so that it will be easy and your tornado looks good. Take one potato and insert one skewer in it like this so that we will do potato twister easily. Now take a sharp knife and keep cutting potato like this way. You should hold the knife and keep cutting and rotate potato. In short, I am rotating this potato and cutting, then again rotating and cutting. And make sure you should not breaking anywhere. And try to keep the thickness evenly. And I am not doing slices more thick or more thin. Just cut it in medium size. Because after fried it become more thin. So just cut it in medium size. Now we are done with cutting. And gently spread the slices on the skewer like this. But be careful while you doing this. You should not breaking the slices. So similarly you can make other potato twister like this. Now take a bigger size bowl and add water in it. And keep potato twister in it and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the batter. Add 1/4 cup of maida. And then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon of chaat masala powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. And salt as per your taste. Now mix this mixture. Now slowly add water in it and gently mix this batter so that we don't get any lumps in a batter. And we need a thick batter for this recipe. So I use total 1/3 cup of water in this. Now take one potato tornado and pour the batter on tornado with the help of spoon like this. And keep rotating the potato so that the batter spread at all sides. And while doing this, keep the cooking oil for heat. So our oil is enough hot to fry tornado. So take one tornado and put it in hot oil. And keep a gas flame medium. Keep flipping in between so it can fry at all sides. You can see the color has changed. Now it's time to take it out. Similarly, you can fry all the tornado. Now let's mix masala to spread on tornado. So I take a Kashmiri red chili powder and chaat masala and mix it well. Now spread this masala on this tornado. You can also spread any seasoning you like. And last, tomato ketchup piping. If you don't like this, then you can skip it. So our potato tornado is ready to serve. You can serve it with green chutney or sauce. It's very different dish. You should try this recipe at your home and let me know your experience in comment section. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my recipe, then give like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.